Okay, so from here, I want to use this email of the student with the title status is completed. I go to the identity and check for the email. You can this the student from the CDRH 2023, and in here ASIDA 2025. I want to add a student using ASIDA 2025, and in here I select assumption block, and I select here bar and use the here, and after that I download upload the exception. Okay, and I add file show, and I add this file. After that, after I activated the blocks in student is assigned for the following blocks. I click continue, and I using the email or the student that have title status is completed in here. After that, I click ask for transfer. Okay, display here, confirm, bravo, okay. And I want to search the student that I have already early with the name is Eva. Okay, Retano Eva, this Retano Eva. Now the Retano Eva in the SVIDA 2025 with the registration status is pending and the title status is admission non-completed. But when I check in here, identity tab course subtab, the blocks is not activated. I think before I fill the exemption block, I activate the exception block and I add exemption document, but this is still here, still like that. So display by default, and with the identity is already same in here. Okay, but the problem is when I check the course, it's not match that are like I added before. Okay, in the user story 1 story.005, I check identity tab, course subtab, and see the RSVP title class displayed, and the slider button the student is exempt for the following blocks is displayed with the blocks I selected to be exempt and exemption document, but there is now the student is exemption of the following blocks in the identity course. Yeah. Okay. No exception block is inactive, even though I already activated the exception block and already added exception document. Okay.